Hey everyone, Brian and Jeff with WorkshopAddict.com and WrenchesandRides.com. We have just finished the Travis Mills Foundation Jeep. There's a few small finishing touches, but we're going to deliver this tomorrow to Adam at Schaefer and Beerline in Frankenmuth. They're going to use this for marketing for their Jeep Fest that's coming up on July 21st. This has been kind of a part-time project for us that's going to be bittersweet leaving.
Glad to see it go, but it was fun to do.
There's a lot of weekends and a lot of late nights put in on this Jeep to get everything together. We had a lot of great sponsors, including MetalCloak, Trail Rated Rims, Warren Winch,
Rough Country,
Adams Driveshafts,
Yukon Gear.
There's tons of people that have supported the Travis Mills Foundation by donating product to this Jeep, and it's going to be sold. So if anyone wants an awesome Jeep, this one has got 513s, 37s, 4-inch long arm kit. She's ready to rock and roll. You can contact Adam at Schaefer and Beerline in Frankenmuth, or we'll throw this out to you guys. You can come to the Jeep Fest July 21st in Frankenmuth. We'll be there with Travis Mills, hanging out around this Jeep, BSing. Later at night, we're going to go to the State Theater in Bay City, Michigan at around 6:30. This Jeep will be there along with Hagen Ford in Bay City. He's going to bring some Ford vehicles down. We will buy your tickets if you'd like to come in. Travis is going to speak. We're going to watch his movie, and then we're going to stand around and BS with him afterwards. That's going to be a cool event. Jeff and I will be there.
With any luck, we can turn over the keys to the new owner at that time.
Yes, so someone please buy this thing. We can meet Travis at that point, drive it home. It's going to be an awesome little rig. So we'll give you guys a little bit of a walk around. We probably have while we've been talking, but we'll continue to show you what this thing's got. Any closing statements other than sayonara, Jeepo?
Nice to see you leave. To make somebody else happy.
Onward and upward to the next project, guys. We always thank you guys for your time. It's nice to bring you guys in to let you see some of what we have in the end. And again, that offer stands. We will buy your tickets to come into the State Theater in Bay City. Leave us a comment below or contact us through YouTube. We'd be happy to see you in Bay City, Michigan. Thank you for your time. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.